Chanmina created a girl group. Okay. Well, with that information that I gathered, well, Chanmina is a Japanese Korean, half Japanese, half Korean artist that's in Japan, right? You might know her for doing that collab with Bobby, and a lot of other things too. She's iconic for other things as well. But she created a group, and this is them. So let's check it out. What does this group consist of? Like, how many members? Oh, no. Oh, hell no.
Hey girl, drop me the honor looking now. Girl, miss it take a gauge to what's real.
It sounds like Chanmina kind of vibe in a way too. Top. Yeah.
Don't wanna be perfect, I don't know wanna be.
Okay, what? Ew. Yeah. Oh, I like her outfit. Oh, hold up. Who's this? Bam. Tap. This is their debut too? Yeah. Okay. Get it. Oh. I might have to add them on the playlist. Top. Shout out to Top. Shout out to Big Bang and Top. Yeah, drop. Private access only. Oh, they trying to make it to the top. Okay. The 7 members of HANA consist of Momoka, Chika, Jisoo. Yes, she's Korean. Not the in parentheses. I'm reading from my chat, by the way, on Twitch. Yuri, Koharu, Naoko, and Mahina. Ah, I see. Was the Jisoo? Oh, it literally says the names right here. It was written by Chanmina. It does feel like it was written by Chanmina too, like the way it was the whole song, like the lyrics and everything. Who's this? Is that the short hair? Is Jisoo? Okay. I like her voice. I like her voice a lot. I also like she stood out a lot to me. Who's this? That should go hard. They actually all stand out. She's dope too, man. Can't wait for their debut this spring. Ooh, I'm curious myself. HANA? Is that how you say it? HANA? Yo, shout out to HANA, by the way. Yo, they're really good. I can't wait for more. This is just pre-debut too, man.
Hey,
you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.